Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu's second mega pump is being expected to rise between 2023 down to 2024. That means in the next 1.5 years, we are going to experience Shiba Inu's second mega price pump. Now, remember, Shiba Inu have actually pumped over millions of percent that actually attracted so many people to Shiba Inu, and that is the reason why Shiba Inu is actually where they are today. Okay, now we are also expecting that this coin is still going to pump again. It might be pumping maybe between 5,000%, some believe even 1,000%. But I'm telling you, in the next few months to come, there's a probability that Shiba Inu can hit over 10,000 to 100,000% or even 1,000,000%. Yes, Shiba Inu right now have come up, the developers actually come up with a mega plan, with a plan that will see Shiba Inu start getting that massive support, start getting more partnerships, start getting more capitals flowing into Shiba Inu. Okay, they are also planning to see how they can destroy a lot of Shiba Inu coin, because they believe that their coin have so many supply, so they want to massively megally destroy Shiba Inu supply. They just want few Shiba Inu coins to be out there, and if they achieve this, it will definitely going to be great for Shiba Inu coins. Yes, that will definitely help Shiba Inu hit back at its second mega pump. So a lot of people actually buying Shiba Inu. Some are still holding, some actually sold out, because the market cap of this coin was over 30 to 40 billion dollars, and today we are talking about just over 4 billion. So you can see so many money, so many amount of cash has been pulled out of Shiba Inu. So a lot of people actually make their money, a lot of people actually earn a lot of money with Shiba Inu. But that cap can still be achieved. Shiba Inu can still hit 10, 15, 20 billion dollars market cap once the coins just try to pump again, try to hit. Imagine seeing Shiba Inu in 7 days reckoning 300%, 400%. I'm telling you, that same week the market cap will be shooting towards 7 to 8 billion dollars, almost 100% double. And imagine that continues in 2 or 3 weeks, Shiba Inu will be hitting towards 15 and 20 billion dollars market cap, which will further push Shiba Inu to hit over 1,000 to 5,000% and more to come within the next few months. So let's hope for the best. And for me, I still have my Shiba Inu, but you want to buy what you can afford to lose. If you are keeping, keep what you can afford to lose. If you are storing some Shiba Inu coin, store what you can afford to lose. That is just the golden rule. Once again, thank you for stopping by.